What I wish I knew at the start of my vegan journey. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Let's make it fun and easy together. Today we're whipping up a mouth-watering vegan taco that's perfect for any Friday night. Grab your tortillas because we're about to get cooking. First, dice up some juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and creamy avocado. Then heat up some black beans with a sprinkle of your favorite spices. Think cumin, paprika, and a dash of chili powder. Now let's assemble. Spread a layer of beans on your tortilla. Pile on the veggies and top with a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Simple, right? Trust me. Once you try these tacos, your weekends will never be the same again. Share your creations with us using Dasa Vegan Vibes Friday and stay tuned for more deliciousness. Happy cooking. Today we're making a delicious vegan pasta that's sure to impress. Start by boiling your favorite pasta until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, prepare a creamy cashew sauce by blending soaked cashews, garlic, lemon juice, and nutritional yeast. In a pan, saute some cherry tomatoes and spinach until tender. Once the pasta is done, toss it with the cashew sauce and sauteed veggies. Top with fresh basil and a sprinkle of vegan parmesan. Enjoy your creamy, dreamy vegan pasta. Don't forget to share your creations with Dacha Vegan Vibes Friday. Bon appetit.